Companies have already started their Black Friday sales, and finding them is, well, not hard to do at all. But finding the products that you should be spending your hard-earned money on, well, that can be a little unclear. I'm here to clear those up by showing you some of the best products that I've reviewed in 2024 and their Black Friday deals, which honestly, some of these are the best that I have ever seen. First up is the best deal that I've ever seen on my favorite ultra short throw projector and the ultra short throw projector that, well, I use on a daily basis. That is, of course, the AWOL LTV 3500 Pro. This is the brightest ultra short throw projector that I know on the market and the best one that I have used that cuts through ambient light. That allows me to play video games and watch TV and movies with the lights on, assuming I have an ambient light rejection screen. The great thing about this is AWOL is giving you an ambient light rejection screen absolutely free, but not just any ambient light rejection screen. They're going to give you one of their floor rising screens. Now that can be either their 100-inch or 120-inch screen. This is the same screen that when you turn on the projector, the screen will actually rise up at the same time, and when you turn off the projector, the screen will lower. I absolutely love this, and this is the setup that I currently use. If you don't want a floor rising screen, you can get a fixed frame screen. They do have a couple of those for free, anything from 100-inch all the way up to a 132-inch screen. And if you want to go with the LTV 3000 Pro, you can get a fixed frame screen from 100-inch to 132-inch for absolutely free, as well as some other deals that they have going on their website. They have some amazing deals right now that I just have not seen before. Now on top of that, they're also giving you 50% off on their very first completely wireless Dolby Atmos surround sound system. This is a unique cutting edge system that does something that I've not seen any other system do. When you have an ultra short throw projector, the hardest speaker to place is the center channel. AWOL has addressed that problem by allowing you to use the ultra short throw projector as the center channel, meaning that all you have to do is set up 2 rear speakers, 2 front speakers, which include the 2 Atmos up-firing modules, and the 2 subwoofers. All of these just plug into power and they will wirelessly communicate to each other to set themselves up. It's a really simplistic system and it's one that you can get set up relatively easily and quickly. And so if you're looking for an ultra short throw projector, make sure to follow those links down in the description of the video. If you're a fan of the channel, you're probably also a fan of Parts Express like me. But what should you get? Well, if it was me and I didn't have measurement equipment yet, I would pick that up. You can get something like the UMIC 1 or the EMM6. Those things never go on sale, so this is a good time to pick that up. I would also consider picking up DATS V3. Never goes on sale, you might as well do it right now. Another thing that you could pick up is the new Ultimax series. I don't remember seeing that go on sale yet if you're in need of a subwoofer. Another thing that I would recommend getting is the Dayton Audio M6 powered bookshelf speakers, especially if you want some desktop monitors to go right here. They are the best desktop monitors that I have reviewed to date, but I would not use the coupon code. Instead, take a look down in the description of the video where I have all links to all of these products, and in there I will give you a special 20% off coupon code. All you gotta do is follow that link and then put that coupon code in and you'll save yourself 20% off, which is even better than the Black Friday deal. I love those Dayton Audio M6 because they have a DAC built in and they have really nice tight bass, something that I wasn't expecting out of those. Now if you're looking for a little bit less expensive desktop speakers, take a look at the Edifier MR3s. These on Black Friday deal are right around $100. And I gotta say, it is a fantastic value. Now you might say, I didn't see you review those. That's true. That's because I have them in for review right now. And I will say that right now they have blown away all the competition in that price range, and really they're the only ones that I can say in the $100 range that I would recommend. I would take these over the Edifier MR4s. I would take these even over the Hi-Fi 2.1 M10 Plus that I just reviewed. And there's a lot of reasons why, but one of the reasons why I didn't like the MR4s is if you turned it up too loud, they would start to distort. The MR3s don't have that problem. They seem to have put a limiter on there, which has really helped keep them clean even at high volumes. On top of that, they are a very linear speaker, especially when you use them in monitor mode. On the back, you can adjust both the treble and the bass. And if you want to further customize these, you can get on their Bluetooth app, which connects to these. And there are some frequencies that you can do some basic EQing on. Really, for the price of $100, they're really great speakers. Full disclosure, these are not speakers you want to get if you want deep, low bass. For that, you go for the M6 and you spend a little bit more money. If you're looking for a portable projector, take a look at the Dangbei Atom. I absolutely love this. This is a laser projector. This literally fits in the palm of your hand. It's a 1080p projector that is also 3D capable. So right now, not only are they giving you the great deal, which is the best price that I have personally seen on this, but it also allows you to get free pair of 3D glasses if you're a 3D aficionado. If you're not a 3D fan, then don't worry about that. You can get the traveling case, which allows you to take it to and from. Now, if you want some more information on that, I have linked the video down in the description, as well as, well, the videos to all of these products so you can take a closer look at them. Great deal on a portable projector if you're looking for one. I would recommend picking up a tripod with it if you wanted to. Something inexpensive. That's the easiest way to hook this up if you're in a hurry. Last but not least, let's talk about whole house audio. If you've been wanting to do whole house audio, this is definitely the time to do it. Aurylic is my favorite brand for whole house audio. If you're not familiar with them, you should definitely check out some of my videos on Aurylic. They allow you to connect multiple amplifiers, preamplifiers, or even DIY boards together to allow you to play music all throughout your house, and they allow you to use any speakers that you have on hand. It's a really neat system. But not only that, it is a completely customizable program which allows you to play music in separate rooms if you want to, or it even allows you to split those up into separate zones, playing different music in different zones of the house. It's a really unique system, and right now it's 20% off everything on their website. And if you spend over $500, if you're trying to do the whole house, you can save up to 25%. That is a great deal. Now, if you think you found some better deals than I did, make sure to put them in the comment section and let me know what you're going to be picking up on this Black Friday. All right, guys, thanks. This is Toid, and I'm out.